In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and update your resume on Indeed, ensuring it stays current and relevant for any job opportunities you might be eyeing. Keeping your profile in top shape is crucial in making a strong impression on potential employers, and a well-organized resume can really make all the difference. So let's dive right in and go through the steps to make this happen smoothly. First things first, you'll need to visit the Indeed website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Indeed URL, or a quick search engine query will get you there just as easily. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with the familiar homepage. This is the hub of all things job-related, from searching opportunities to managing your profile. Speaking of your profile, that's where we're headed next. On the homepage, you should see an option to either sign in or navigate directly to your profile if you're already logged in. Make your way there, and once your profile page loads, you'll see various options for managing different parts of your account. Now, within your profile, you're going to want to focus on the section labeled Resume. This is where your current resume is stored and accessible for potential employers who might be interested in what you have to offer. Here, under the Resume section, you'll notice 3 dots, often referred to as an ellipsis, located next to your listed resume. Clicking on these dots opens up a small menu with some extra options. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Delete. Before we proceed with this, let's consider why you might want to delete your resume. Perhaps you're looking to update outdated information, switch up your job experiences, or maybe showcase a new set of skills or credentials you've acquired. This step is essentially clearing the stage to allow for the latest version of you to shine through. Once you're ready, go ahead and click on the Delete option next to your resume. This action will remove the current resume from your profile, but don't worry, this means you can now upload a fresh, new version. Having a resume that reflects your most recent accomplishments and capabilities can significantly increase your chances of catching the eye of hiring managers who are browsing through potential candidates. And just like that, you're done. By following these simple steps, you've taken charge of your professional presentation on Indeed, making sure it's as polished and up-to-date as possible. Remember, maintaining a current resume is a continuous process, so make it a habit to regularly review and refine your listed information. Thanks for watching, and here's to many successful job searches ahead.